Hello everyone, so this is Dinesh from ClickDo, and in today's video I'm just going to show you how we have worked for the SEO for this natural smells project, and we have improved the traffic gradually. So as you see, like, this natural smells is a dental website in UK, and they are offering all kind of cosmetic dentist treatments in and around London. So when we took on board for this particular client, their initial traffic was less than 1000 per month. But when you check the today's traffic, it was nearly 147k traffic organic traffic per month from Google alone. So we have improved from less than 1000 to 147k within 12 to 15 months of hard SEO work. So now I'm going to take you to this project, and just going to give some small insights how we implemented our smart SEO strategies to improve the traffic organically. You can see from this SEMrush data, naturalsmells.co.uk, it has 147k traffic from Google alone. There is no paid traffic or nothing. So only organic traffic is this much, and you can see the graph shows in last September it was just less than 1000. But over a period of time, in less than 15 months, we have achieved this result. So this is pure organic work. This is done with organic content marketing, proper link building, strategic on-page SEO, everything. We have fixed technical SEO in this website. We have done a lot of work. So I will take you through this work, and I will show you some keywords which is ranking in top, high competitive keywords. So when you take keywords like composite bonding, it's already ranking in featured snippet. I will just show you the live rankings. So I'm just searching in the guest window, so there is no catch data. So when you search for composite bonding, natural smells is already ranking in the featured snippet as number one. We have outranked big websites. This is a big website, bupa.co.uk. You can see the websites which are ranking the first page are high authority domains, but with our SEO things, we have already outranked those keywords, and we have outranked those websites, and we are already ranking number one for this keyword. So this is one of the keyword which has 36,000 searches per month in UK alone. So you can imagine how much traffic this keyword alone drives. So even some of the other keywords like teeth bonding, dental bridge cost, I will show you some more keywords. So teeth bonding, it's again ranking number one. Even I will show you some other keywords like dental bridge cost UK. So you can see again it's ranking. Maybe we have missed the future snippet at the moment, but it's already ranking at the second result. So this is how organic SEO works, and we personally deal with all kind of SEO projects at ClickDo. So this is some of the sample keywords. Still, if you go through, there are tons of keywords which are still improving and going to achieving the first position in the search results. So these are high competitive dental related terms. We are already ranked and took the traffic to 147k per month from Google alone. So this is, I hope this is the best ever dental website in UK at the moment to receive this much traffic. So this is not done just using less than a month or 2 months. It's a consistent SEO work which we have done 6 to 12 months continuously with proper high premium link building, even some with PBN backlinks, pure organic content marketing, those kind of stuffs. So if you wish to go ahead with any kind of link building works or SEO consultation, you can just email to dinesh@clickdo.co.uk, and we will help it with you. So until then, I'll come up with the next video. Thank you.